At 3:32 p.m. AEST, the Australian government, in conjunction with the SCP Foundation and the United Nations, has declared a global emergency.
The United Nations has created this emergency warning system to alert the world of a global emergency. Please stand by for an emergency message. The United Nations, in conjunction with the SCP Foundation, has declared a global emergency. A Apollyon warning has been issued. Due to a fatal meteorological event, 4 billion lives have been lost within the first 30 minutes of activation. If you're seeing this, stay away from all natural light. 390 to 700 nanometers emitted by the sun, 390 to 700 nanometers emitted by the moon. Embrace the darkness, my friends. Fear the light.